Welcome to our channel. If you want to update your Apple Watch software quickly and easily, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery charge or place it on the charging cable before beginning the update process. Step 2. Ensure your Apple Watch is connected to Wi-Fi. Check by swiping up on your watch face to open Control Center and verify the Wi-Fi icon is visible. Step 3. On your paired iPhone, open the Watch app. This is the primary application for managing your Apple Watch settings and software. Step 4. Tap on the My Watch tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select General from the menu options. Step 5. Tap Software Update to check if a new version of WatchOS is available for your Apple Watch model. Step 6. If an update is available, review the update details and features. Then tap Download and Install to begin the process. Step 7. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Keep your Apple Watch on its charger and within range of your iPhone throughout the update. Step 8. The update will download and install automatically. A progress circle will appear on your Apple Watch screen. Once complete, your watch will restart with a new software version. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.